Hey guys, I hope you're well. We'll talk about that 16 kilovolt transformer in a few moments in the next couple videos. Hey, I want to what I got to stop that. Hey, you're already watching the video. I don't need to try to get your attention. Jesus Christ, Chuck. What a social incompetent. I wanted to Here's the babble part. I wanted to put a little thin voltmeter on the dashboard of Jed, right? It's the one modern addition I'm willing to do. I will not drill any holes. They just stick on. Okay. And look at this crap. I got two of them for, I think they were $10.95 or $11.95 at Amazon. Can you see that? I can. The scanning of the LEDs, the multiplexing. That's cool. What's not cool is one of them's 0.2 of a volt high. Hang on, I'm going to reposition you and we're going to talk about the winner. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, guys, I had to reposition you because of glare from the window. And, okay. Now, when I read your guesses, boy, did I have to laugh. You guys are funny, man. This was fun. Because the fun part's the comments, man. Well, the fun part's the editing. I enjoy editing silly videos. And the fun part's the comments after. Yeah, it takes me forever to get to them sometimes, but believe me, man, when I read them, they not only do they make my day, but they help me deal with a lot of the stuff I'm going through, physically and mentally, and the same typical things most retirees do, right? So hang on a second, okay, guys? One moment. I had to get a can to spit in, by the way. And I hope this is going to turn out okay because dear Blitzy is laying in front of the camera. He was sleeping, but he's looking at me worriedly now. And I don't have the heart to move him, man. So when I read your comments, God, did I have to laugh. Let's look at them. Do you have any idea how sad I was when my treasure, my newfound treasure, proved to be not up to the task, inferior for my engineering notes? Because I buy these every couple weeks, man. So let's look at the guesses. First, and these are in order. First, Will. When I saw 9.2 amp hours, I thought, damn, God, I hope he loses. It's a big-ass battery. It almost breaks my back to lift it. Will's guess was 343% low. Okay. The next, oh, God, did I laugh, Scott. Initially, when I read his guess, his comment, I read 11.2 amps, and I thought, oh, no, Scott, dude, you made a mistake, man. That's the discharge rate. And then he said, that's it, basically. I'm going to toss my cap in the ring. I was not prepared for someone to throw the towel, toss the towel into the ring. Funny, man. You guys are funny, man. Mr. P. Oh, so Scott threw the towel in. Mr. P. 281% high. Will went low. P went high. Jeff, 16.8 amp hours. I thought to myself, whoa. Although that's pretty dang low, I would not be surprised. 187% low. And these percentages are compared to the actual battery capacity, which has been temporarily redacted. Redacted. Oh. J. W4ZXT. Hey, Jay, I've packaged a little something up for you. It's a congratulatory win. It's something you need, whether you know it or not. and I'll be mailing it to your QRZ address on Monday. If your address is otherwise, please let me know. 8.2 amp hours, Jay thought. That's 385% low. Well, Jay, once again, I hope to God you didn't win this time, because my battery's heavy. Bill, William, 10.361 amp hours, huh? And I know you said I could round it down if I'd like, but no, I wouldn't like. I like that guess. Very nice guess, Bill, both in terms of quantity and accuracy. Blozo appreciates accuracy at the town dump. William, 304% low. Okay. Maybe you're right. Maybe Jeff is right. Dang, maybe William's right. Could be. The next guesser was Kurt. Kurt. Oh, wait. He guessed a little more than that, didn't he? Be careful what you ask for you just may get it. That's what my mom always said. She also said, Mister, you're going to lie in the bed you make, when I was about to make a poor choice or decision, and she was always right, and still proves to be. She might be dead, but she's living in my head, and I can't get rid of her. Thank God. Kurt. Kurt ventures a guess of 56.49230766923 amp hours. Beautiful precision. A nice guess. In the first test at the 1.2 amp hour rate, my guess was maybe 40 to 45 amp hours, but I was pleasantly surprised in that it was 91.3, right, guys? And I knew it would be less, much less, in this run, because at 11.2 amp constant discharge is a pretty healthy discharge on a marine deep cycle battery, as opposed to an intermittent, like 18 amp discharge when you key down and start talking using single sideband, or even keying using CW. You know, your duty cycle's not 100%. So that was a pretty good real world torture test, if you will, I felt. But back to Kurt's guess of 56 amp hours. Shall we reveal the winner? Before we do that, guys, I'm going to pause you and remove the temporary redaction at the top. There it is, 31.561 amp hours when discharged at the 11.2 amp rate. As my little friend in junior high school used to say, he used to really excitedly say, "Hey, Chuck, day it is, man. Hey, Chuck, day it is," or "Day you go." Or no, he'd say "Day go," for "there you go." "Hey, Chuck, day go." Day it is, man. Hang on. I reposition you. I pause you. Kurt. Blitzyn's looking at me right now very worriedly. He doesn't like it when Daddy breaks into Blozo voice. He really doesn't like it when I get excited with my voice intentionally for you guys, you know? Kurt. And with that said, Kurt. Well played, mister. Very nice. Let's recap. Let's review. Kurt, let's round it up. Since he's unwilling to round his number down, I'm willing to, what an asshole. I'm unwilling to grant him this accuracy. Kurt, what a jacknut. Personality check needed here, boys. Kurt guesses 179% high. Bill, look for a number that's better than 179. Bill, 304. J, 3. I don't need. Ooh. But then we saw Jeff. nice guess, as it were. You went the other way, low, as opposed to Kurt's high. But man, it might look like you're a second place guesser, gamer, player at the landfill. But you know what, man? Because of the giggle factor, it still makes me laugh, man. Because of Blozo's shit and giggle factor, because I almost did shat me draws, I laughed so hard. When Scott threw in the towel, he's getting an honorary second place. Jeff, a very well played game and an excellent guess. You're in third place, Jeff. But at the landfill, all winners share equally in the game of Blozo. I hope you're well. I hope this is viewable. One moment. I hope these things last more than a few days once I mount one on the tractor. I hope Blitzy realizes that when I grab a camera, although I do change, he doesn't like me recording him. He'll look away almost every time, you'll notice. He's shy like Daddy. He realizes that although I do change when I take a camera in hand to make a video for you guys, it really is me. It's just a part of me that he doesn't see until we get together. Hang on. And check it out, guys. Until we get together another day. Mata ahi mate. 73. Be well. Check it out. Let's head. Man, dog ran away, got stung by a bee, got buzzed by a bee. Are you fucking kidding me? The roller of my dreams. He so loves his John Deere that he plows driveways and rolls lawns for free. The block of rock found a new friend. 96.2 pounds. He'll sit happily on top the block of rock this coming winter.
Hey now, can't you feel me longing? Did you get the gist of the song now? Hey now, can't you feel